find the purchase return applet. Okay, when you click it inside, oh sorry, this one is new. When you click it inside, where is my purchase return? Oh yeah, here is the internal purchase return. Click it. Again, you click plus over here. And then for the purchase return, we allow you actually to search by supplier, by invoice, by GRN number, or by serial number. But most of our customers, they go to the search by supplier. Okay, so you click and then you find the supplier that you want to return with. So when you click the supplier, okay, you click the supplier, it will show you the whole for all of the branch basically. We don't So if let's say it's under different branches, so you also will shown here because it's searched by your supplier. Okay, it will list down all of the supplier invoice that the invoice that created for this supplier. So you choose one of it, the one that you want to return. So you will click, so it will load the item under that particular invoice. So now for this invoice, it have 8 items. You stock in 8 items basically, and then the price actually zero, zero for this purchase invoice. So when you do this part, this price will follow the invoice price. Invoice price. So now if let's say there's a 4, right? I mean it's 8, so I would just want to return 4. Okay, return 4, then you can add to selected item, or you can return all to the purchase return. Okay, so when I click it, your account and everything line will be there. Okay. So here you will see there is save. Okay, this one actually is I will hide it. We'll hide it later. Okay. So the docking also will be here because just now you search from the purchase invoice, right? From the invoice. So that invoice will be here from the docking. Okay. And then the export will be the same, will be the reprint function. And then attachment also will be here for the purchase return. So on the again now, which is final and save. Save actually is meaning save as a draft. So you can save. Or if let's say everything okay, then you straight away go to final, click final just now instead of save. Yeah.
Uh, uh, let's say, Grace, you said that we have a 8 quantity available, right? Then we want to return 4. How about in the case that the stock itself have a serial number?
So you need to key in the share number. You need to
Meaning,
you need to choose which serial number that actually you are return to the supplier. Uh, Maybe I have just add on. So basically, if let's say it is a serial number, again, I mean, the serial number will be here. So this listing, okay, listing is based on your purchase invoice listing. The one that here, I mean, the one that you stock in before. So which serial number that you want to return to the supplier? You need to choose. You need to choose which serial number. Click it on it, and then you click add. This add is a go to here, which is only 2 quantity that you return, and then you add. So that's the difference between the serial number and the non-serial number. Save it as a draft. If let's say no, then straight away go to the final. When it's final, then your stock will be deducted because you return to the supplier.